Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkBuJo, and these are some book sleeves I created out of some kitchen aprons and some leftover fabric. So this is usual cotton fabric, this is the old pullover, this is the kitchen fabric, the kitchen apron. So with this cute bag, this cute pocket I recycled. The same fabric, this is a part of a kitchen apron. And this too, this is cute little angels kissing. And this was a prototype I created at first out of some leftover fabrics. I will link the tutorial I used down below in the info box. Let's pretend this is our cookbook. So I don't have the cookbook with me because these covers, these book sleeves, book covers are for the mom of a friend, and she has the cookbook at her home, and I made this prototype, to say so. And I will definitely make a journal out of this. So you just slip your book into your cover like this. And then your book is protected while you are cooking. So it's protected from fat and from some food. And it's very decorative. I just sealed them together. She did not want a closure or something hanging from here or some extra decor, so I will let it be like it is, as it is. So it's very easy and it can be used for a huge amount of books. Usual books you read, or a bullet journal, or everything you want to use it for. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more junk journal, bullet journal and crafting videos. Bye!